So what is good, people? Welcome to another investing video. And in this video, we are doing episode 7 of our investing $1 a day series. So since we're in episode 7, that means we need to have a minimum of $49 invested into each asset. So we're going to jump right into it. Here we are with metals. And as you can see from the prices up on the top, you can see silver is up, gold is down. And just a reminder of my investment, $20 into gold, $25.03 into silver for a total investment of $45.03. And it is down to $19.62 for gold, $24.22 for silver for a total value of $43.84. So we're down a little bit, but actually not by a lot, just down by a couple dollars. A little less than that. And we are actually at the point, since we need to have a minimum of $49 invested, I can finally buy some more assets into metals. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just alternate back and forth between the two. So since I bought silver last time, this time I'm going to buy gold. And it's actually nice that it is down a little bit because it means I'll be getting a little bit more for my money. But overall, the value of gold and silver has not really changed much. It's kind of just been up and down, just a few dollars from each other, a few percentage points. So it hasn't changed too much at all. And you can see right here is the two investments that I've made. And I'm going to go ahead and create another one and then come right back. All right, now we're back. So you can see I have this top one right here. One more transaction for gold, $23.98. That's how much I paid. And so that brings up my total investment to $64.66. But my total gold price, $39.63, with my value at $39.26. And so it's down, but not by much. That is pretty much it for now. So we're going to have to wait a while, at least until we get to day 65 before I can make another purchase into precious metals. But I will most likely buy another ounce of silver when that does happen. So it's going to be a few weeks. But now let's jump over into stocks. So as you can see, we are way up with stocks. The total is, let's go for the week, 4.59% up over the week and 5.58% up over the month. So if we jump into the individual stocks, we can see Starwood Property Trust is doing well. We are up 6.39% over the week and 15.81% over the month. Nice. That is a huge improvement. We don't have any dividend payments coming out just yet. Jumping into our next one, it's going to be Armor Residential REIT. And we got just 0.10% up over the month, so not really much of a change there, and we're down 0.19% over the week, so not much of a change. However, we did get a dividend payment, and we also got a stock lending payment. I do have my account set to lend out stocks, and I only got 1 cent from lending out these stocks last month, but hey, that's still some passive income. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy the rest of the Starwood Trust share, because I only have like 0.9% of a share. So if I can buy a full share, then that will make that share actually eligible to be lent out. And so that's what we're going to do on this episode. But as you can see, it's still at 100% on hold. So the stock is still looking good. And then we got our EOG resources. We are up 5.58% over the week. And we are up 1.66% over the month. So not much of a change over the month. And I don't think there's any dividend, no dividend payment coming out for that. So what we're going to do is I'm going to buy one more share of ARR, and I'm going to put just a little bit into the Starwood Property Trust, and then I'm going to add the rest into EOG. So I'm going to split the $7 between the 3 different stocks this time. I'm going to go ahead and do that and be right back. All right, so here we are in our notifications tab, and you'll see that I put, we receive your order to buy $1 of EOG through your brokerage account. So $1 in EOG, $1.06 into Starwood Property Trust, and 1 full share of ARR for a max of 538. It's most likely going to be less than 538 per share. So altogether, that's probably going to put us a little over $7 just by a few cents, but not by much. And so that is where we're at on stocks. Now let's jump into crypto. So here we are at DEX Finance, and I got my staked US DEX Plus. It's still $34.43 is the staked amount, and I have a total of 23 cents in rewards from it. So it looks like ultimately we're getting about 1.5% per month. That's what it's looking like. It's just like a quarter of a percent per week or something like that, a little over a 1/4%. So it's actually doing really well. I mean, 1.5% per month is a great return on any investment. And if we check out our vault that we jumped into last week, and let me refresh this to make sure everything is up to date. So if you remember last week, we invested $13.88, and it is now up to $14.28. And so that's about we made 40 cents. So we made 40 cents in 1 week, which comes out to, let me do some quick math. I'm gonna pull out my phone real quick. So that is it's about 3%. So we're getting about 3% a week return on this investment, which is really, really good. That's an incredible return. Hopefully things will keep going for a little while. We'll see. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put, since we already have $34 into this staking pool, I'm going to put some more money into this one. So for the $7 investment today, I'm going to put some more money into the Blue Chip Bull vault here on Dex Vaults. And so I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll be right back. All right, and now we are back. So you can see our total is now $21.29. I paid the $7. Actually, I might need to refresh in order for that to show up. So I paid the $7, and there was a 50-cent gas fee, so it's actually $7.50 is what I actually spent. But it is not really that big of a difference. Still not showing up here in the deposits, but that will show up eventually, so I'm not going to worry about it. But you can see the performance before my deposit. It was actually going pretty steady. All the coins were just keeping their value. No one jumped up, no one jumped down. Everyone was pretty steady. So that was a good thing for the week. And you can see just the total value of the pool. So you can see a lot of people started pulling some money out of the pool. Where's our TVL? Our TVL is at $18,517. I think we were a lot higher than that last week. And so the TVL is down for a little bit. I'm sure there's a lot of people just taking their profits because of how high of a return we're getting on this pool. So hopefully people don't deplete it, because this is a really, really good return. 3% a week is a great return. So that is pretty much it. I'm expecting hopefully another 3% next week. We'll see what happens. But altogether, we are up. We are way up on crypto, both for our DEX Vault and for the US DEX investment. So we are way up there. We are up on stocks, and that is, of course, not just due to the price being up, but also the dividend payments that we're receiving and the extra income from lending out stocks as well. So we're up on stocks, and we are kind of sideways on precious metals. Precious metals isn't really doing much right now, but that's okay, because I don't need it to do much. I just need to not lose money. That's the most important thing. So that's pretty much it for this episode. What do you guys think? Do you think these are some good investments? You got any ideas on some things that I should be looking at? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you guys in the next one.